guys, welcome to 2021 and welcome to our first episode of our factory walkthroughs. So let's have a look back at 2020 and see how epic the year was for us. Okay, let's talk material. What did we do last year? Well, we did probably over about 15,000 square metres worth of composite sandwich panel. So break that all down. What does that mean? Well, that means is we consumed over 200 rolls of these fiberglass. Now this fiberglass has got about 60 lineal metres of glass on each roll. So if we were to roll all those out and join them together, that glass sheet would be about probably over 12 kilometres long. Now inside our sandwich panels is of course styrofoam. Now we've got about 10 different thicknesses of styrofoam available here at Styromax and a couple of different grades. So we consumed over 10,000 of these boards last year. So considering they're 2.5 metres long, if we were to link all those together end to end, that'd stretch over 25 kilometres. Adhesive. We use heaps of this stuff. We used over 15 tonne of this last year, and that's more than 10 times the weight of Breeze drag car. Okay, so CNC cutting, that's probably where the most of the amount of production time takes place for a composite panel set here at Styromax due to some of the intricate cutting that we do carry out. So the 3 machines we've got did over 6,000 hours of cutting last year. Sample packs, we shipped out over 100 of these last year. We even shipped them to New Zealand, Netherlands and the United States. Now our DIY days that we unfortunately only got 2 in last year due to COVID lockdown and borders being shut, but those 2 events that we did have, we had over 200 people attend. Okay, well, that was a great recap from 2020, so let's have a look and see what we've got in store for 2021. Let's go. Okay, so we've got Brant Woodward's squareback off-road camper trailer well under construction. It's got Styro Floor RG on it. So the RG is a new product for us for 2021. We've got the LT, we've got the HD, we've got the Styro Floor one piece, which is our 29mm piece, one piece floor. So we've gone to an RG, which is 15mm. So it's middle road, it's a middle road option as far as cost and strength. So we've decided this is going to be used on this build. Right, so we've had all the panels manufactured, they're CNC cut. Beside you here is the internals for the build. As you can see, they're all pre-cut and pre-tabbed, ready to locate into some pockets that are also machined in the opposing panels. Now these side walls actually have quite a few of our custom hatch doors in them, so it's going to use Styro Seal LT. So we've actually got the side walls in our building next door, upstairs in the door assembly area. So Gavi is putting the doors inside those walls first. We might go and actually have a look at that, and I'll show you some more. Now you may remember this area from Davina and Manny's toy hauler when we capped up those large side doors for that build, and this is the same area. So as you can see here, all the little hatch doors have been trimmed with the door trim part of Styro Seal LT. Next up will be the trimming of the doorway, so we'll get that together next week. I'll show you some more footage of that. You can see here that we've got some different pocket sizes happening here. So the smaller ones are actually cut for Styro Lock small, and of course the ones with the slightly bigger hole are cut out for the Styro Lock medium. So all pre-CNC cut, so it's pretty much just a plug and play as far as assembly goes. This 19.5 foot caravan is new to us here at Styromax. It arrived late last year, I believe, from memory, and the customer was due to come up from the ACT to come and have a look at that, because this frame was Queensland manufactured, but unfortunately couldn't get here due to COVID-19 again. So we had a few border lockdowns, so he hasn't been able to get up and have a look at it yet, but I believe he intends to. So we've got the CAD just about done for this. I think we need to do a quick frame check on it, so to make sure that what we've CAD'd for the body will marry up with the frame in reality. We've got Charlie's motorhome body here. I believe the CAD for this is almost complete, almost signed off. We've got Jim Smith's slide-on camper frame. That has been signed off, so we'll be ready for production very, very soon. Now, if we have a look over here, this is the latest arrival. So check this. This came in Friday. This is a 1945 six-wheel drive Studebaker Army truck, and we're putting a Styromax box on the back. So I'm super excited to do this. We've done some pretty crazy looking builds over the years with different vehicles, but I think this one tops it. This is going to look so cool. So yeah, 1945, that's a long time ago. You know, I've been underneath this thing for hours just looking at some of the engineering under there from a mechanical point of view from way back in 1945. And if you think about before that, when they actually designed the truck, before they built it in 1945, some of the engineering in there underneath there is just quite incredible, considering they didn't have fancy CAD programs and machines like we do today. Okay, so we'll do a feature build on this. Just quickly, it's going to have Styro Floor HD on the back, and we'll probably use Styro RV RG Plus 29mm panel on this as well. So I'm hoping that the customer does the old camouflage green, so because that will look even way cooler. But what we'll do, I think, when the customer does come to collect this, I'll get him to take us for a ride in it, and we'll hook it all up with some cameras and see if we can all enjoy the thrill of driving something so old out on the road and what it's like. Okay, so industry is booming quite well. We've got some government work going out here. We've got some defence work that we do. There's lots of that going out. So also refrigerated truck bodies. That's up quite a bit this year already. So that's a good thing. It's a good sign. So that means businesses are investing in themselves. So that's a good sign for business. It's a good sign for everyone. So of course the RV industry is going gangbusters at the moment with lots of Australia travel going on because of the lockdown overseas and you can't go out, so that's another great thing as well. So, and on top of all that, we've also got all you guys, the DIY guys, plenty of kits going out, plenty of kits lined up. Alright guys, well that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the first episode. We'll bring these to you as regularly as we can. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Catch you later.